Well, one stock which hasn't really done too well is Insecticides India. Rajesh Agrawal, MD and CEO of Insecticides India, is with us. Mr. Agrawal, hi, good afternoon. I was just going through your last quarter numbers, and it looked like while you're doing phenomenally well on top line, bottom line seems to be quite a bit of problem, especially in terms of margins and your net profit. Do we expect that trend to reverse sometime over the next 2 or 3 quarters?
Yeah, definitely there you will see a reversal actually. I would say that we have made large investments and we have set up new plants. Particularly our investment in Dahej has been quite big, where not only we are facing the issues of the interest which has accumulated in the balance sheet, but also the manpower has gone up actually, and that plant has just started functioning. So you have seen the little results actually in the second quarter, and I would say that you would see these results in third and fourth quarter. And in this year we will be growing by say 35 to 40% actually, and which we have proved in the half year. I believe that the growth will continue in this year, and in the next year itself, in the first and second quarters of 2015, you will see the reversal actually. You will see that our bottom line is going up in a big way. Various reasons, yes, our expansions, our new technicals which shall be coming up now, and also our new brands actually, which will be doing well in the market, which will increase the bottom line of the company as well.
Rajesh, what is your expectation in terms of volume growth?
The volume growth will be little less than the value growth actually, because yes, there is the increase in the prices. The volume growth this year, which we may see, maybe to the tune of roughly 25%, whereas the value growth I am targeting 40% now.
So in terms of value growth, do you mean that you're taking price hikes?
Yes, we were forced to do that because there was an increase in the price of the currency which pushed everything up, and lot of raw material prices also went high. So we were forced to increase the prices, but despite of that increase, it was not enough to take care of everything actually, because the currency is moving northwards in a very high speed actually, and we were forced to see those losses, the currency losses in particular actually, and the prices of all the raw materials went up due to this increase. So I believe that increase was not enough to take care of this.
So in terms of price elasticity, are you in a position to pass on some more hike? Otherwise your margins may still be under pressure going forward.
I believe that yes, in the next year, because we can see the shortages in the market already, and some of the raw materials are already a little expensive. So this hike may continue in the next year also, and moreover this will be like I believe that we'll be growing in turnover also. Like we have the target of 35% increase in 2-3 consecutive years, which we have started showing in this year 2014. I believe we'll repeat the same type of progress in the next 2 years also, 15 and 16, for which the background is already set, because we have already made the investments and we have set up our technical facilities as well as the formulation facilities are revamped at Jammu and also in Rajasthan. So I believe that we are very well equipped for the next 2 years, and we shall show this growth actually, and with some of the newer products also, where the margins will be a little better, which will push our EBITDA margins also upwards, and ultimately taking our PAT also northwards.
Okay, what is the exact capacity utilization you expect once your Dahej facility, including your Dahej facility?
At the moment this year, if I calculate in this year, the utilization of Dahej facility has been roughly a little below 50%. I believe in the next fiscal we must see the utilization of 75 to 80%.
Okay. All right, Rajesh, thanks very much for joining in. So that's the word coming in from Insecticides India. It has actually underperformed quite significantly in the past year, or down around over 45%. But for the markets also come off the day's high, so do watch out for that. 6165 is currently being held for the Nifty.